let's see a quick demo of the appointment scheduling tool, which can be actually integrated with your Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar as well. So let's get started over here. So here I am in a demo account. So if you want to connect your Google Calendar over there, so you have to first head over to settings over here. So in settings, you can actually find the integrations over here, integrations, and go to Google Calendar. So you just need to actually log in using your Google email over there to connect the Google Calendar over here. So once you are actually connected over there, when a particular customer actually books an appointment over there, it simply check the availability from your Google Calendar and also add those appointments to your Google Calendar as well. So this is very useful for you to check all the appointments just from the Google Calendar over there. So here we have just connected the Google Calendar as you see here. So let's go to the tools over here where you can actually find the appointment scheduling tool. So here in tools, if you scroll down, you can find the appointment scheduling tool. Let your contact easily book appointments with you. So let me click on it, and here you can actually create a calendar over there for an event. So let's get started over here. So let me create a calendar. So let me name this as a test calendar over here. Continue, and here you will be able to add any sort of description over here. So let me add this as test calendar, and here you can set when people can actually book the appointments. Let me actually delete everything. So I want to actually allows customers to book appointments only on Tuesdays. So let's do like Tuesdays 8 to 12. So I want to allow them to book appointments only on this date. So let me delete Monday as well. So I have just set up this one as Tuesday 8 to 12. Where will the event happen? So here you can actually three options: in-person meeting, phone call, or online meeting. So if it is online meeting, you can add your link as well. So let's simply do phone call right here, and the notifications. So when do you want to send the notifications? So confirmation flow. So once you actually create this particular calendar over here, you will see the confirmation flow in your flows sections right here. I will show you that in a minute. And you can also send cancellation flow as well, and by default you will get these reminders. So it's sent 10 minutes before the appointment, sent an hour before the appointments, and also a day before the appointment as well. And if you want, you can actually set your own appointment reminders as well. So instead, if you want to send just 2 hours before the appointments, you can actually create a new flow and set this over here. By default you will get all these things over here, and restrictions. So here in your calendar, when they can actually book. So event duration is set as 30 minutes over here, and currently it's allowed to rolling over 6 days, and minimum days in advance 1 day. And here you can actually enable group booking as well. Those kind of things are possible as well. So let me simply save this one. Here we have just created a calendar. So here you can actually access this particular calendar within the inbox as well. So here we are in the test account. So let me actually send a DM from my Instagram to this test account over here, and let's open the inbox as well. So let me go to the inbox right here. So if I open the inbox right here, so this person actually sent the message, and I simply respond to this particular customer over here. And here if you click on this particular icon over here, you can actually create the appointments. So there are two options. So you can simply send a link to the customer. So you have to first choose the calendar. So test calendar is the one we have just created. So here we have this test calendar, and here you have to choose whatever the calendar you want to send, and you can send the link direct to the customer, and they can tap on the calendar link and book an appointment. Otherwise you can actually go to the calendar and book an appointment as well. So first let me actually send the calendar link to the customer over here and see what happens. So this particular link will be sent to the customer's inbox over here. And if I open Instagram right here, so this is the link sent to the customer. So here if I click on this particular link, it will simply open the appointment calendar over there. So here they can actually book appointments only on Tuesdays. And let me actually add an appointment by April 9 8 a.m. So I'm actually booking an appointment over here for April 9 8 a.m. right here. So the appointment has been booked, and we also received the appointment confirmation automatically. Appointment confirmation, this is test calendar, this is April 9, 8 a.m. I booked. And if I refresh this particular inbox right here, we will see the appointments of that particular customer right from here. So let me refresh the inbox, and as you see here, there is an appointment for this particular customer for 8 a.m. on April 9th. And another thing is that we also integrated the Google Calendar over here. So we should see this particular appointment April 9th 8 a.m. on the Google Calendar as well. So let me go to the April 9th over here in the Google Calendar, and as you see here, we are actually already seeing this particular appointment as you see here. So there is also another option which a particular agent within the inbox can book an appointment as well. So let's say, let me from the Instagram, let me send a message over here. Can we book for April 9? Let's do 10 a.m. So let's say a customer is asking for the availability right here. Do you have availability? So customer is sending you a message or from the Instagram and asking to book an appointment manually. So here an agent can also book an appointment for the customer. For that, they have to actually create an appointment right here, and here you can choose the calendar, and instead of sending the calendar link to the customer, they can simply click on go to calendar over here. Here customer has actually asked for the appointment on April 9 10 a.m. So here let me choose April 9 10 a.m. and simply book over here. That's it. So the appointment will be booked right here, and the customer will also receive an appointment confirmation as you see here. So if I refresh the inbox right here, we will see two appointments right here. So here April 9 8 a.m. and also 10 a.m. So if I go to the Google Calendar, we will see the appointments right here as well as you see here. So let's say let me cancel the appointment for this April 9th 8 a.m. So we can keep only this appointment right here. So let me click on this particular over here, and here you can actually easily cancel the appointment. So it says appointment has been cancelled. So if I go to the inbox and refresh, one appointment has been already cancelled. So we should see only one appointment, and if we go to the Google Calendar over here, we are seeing only one appointment. So due to the integrations with the Google Calendar, everything is synced automatically, instantly. So it's easier for you to manage the appointments right here. So another thing is that the customers can actually book appointments on Tuesdays 8 to 12. So here what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to actually mark this particular calendar 7:45 to 10 a.m. as busy over here. Save. As you see here, for the April 9th 7:45 to 10 a.m. I actually have an event on my calendar as busy. So when a particular customer requests an appointment, we shouldn't allow them to book over there. So let me simply send the same calendar link right here. Create an appointment, test calendar, go to the calendar. For the April 9th, we are actually not seeing the time frames of 8 a.m. because I actually marked 7:45 to 10 a.m. as busy, and we already have an appointment at 10 a.m. as well. So we are actually seeing after 30 minutes. So 10 a.m. appointment will actually last until 10:30 a.m. So here we are only seeing the appointments time from here. So it has a great integrations with Google Calendar. Suppose if you want to block any dates, you can simply block those dates within your Google Calendar, and the customers won't be able to book appointments from the appointments manager over here. And this actually works with the AI as well. So you can actually integrate this particular appointment calendar or appointment manager tool with the AI and book appointments on automation. The thing is that you might be wondering how these appointment confirmations are sent over here. So if we go to the flows over here, you can actually find the appointments confirmation flows. So here we have these reminder test calendar flow and also the booking confirmation. So this is the exact message will be sent to the customers when they actually book an appointment. For example, we receive this sort of message. So if I open that flow, we have see this particular flow text over here. So if you want to change, you can simply change any sort of text, and this more information will take them to the booking link, and also they can also cancel the appointments from there as well. And likewise for the appointments reminders, if I go back to the flows over here, you can also set the appointments reminders as you like. So here if I go to these reminder test calendar over here, This is how the reminders will be sent. So if you want to change any sort of text, you can simply change and update it one. And within the test calendar, if you go to the test calendar, you can actually set your own flows as well. So here by default you will see this. Here you have the option to test your select your own flows as well. You can also check all the appointments that have been actually booked. So if you go to the tools, appointment schedules, here if you click on these appointments, you will be able to check all the appointments and the calendar they booked and the status as well. So this can actually works on all the supported channels. So here in this demo account we have connected only a few channels, but this can actually work on all these supported channels right here. So that's a quick overview of our powerful appointment scheduling tool connected with the Google Calendar. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.